Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I have a new test. I want to do a little product review on these LEDs from the company AGPTEK. I have 9005 and H11s. Little test that I'm going to do on these ones. Let's see how bright they are. And I'm going to put them on the Accord just to see how good they're going to perform. These LEDs from the company AGPTEK, they're gonna be super bright. I'm gonna test that on my Honda Accord. I'm gonna compare them to another LEDs because if I do a test against regular halogen bulbs, it's not gonna make sense. We know the LEDs are super bright, so that's why I'm doing this test against another LEDs. These LEDs are gonna be 600% brighter than regular bulbs and some other LEDs. The fitment is gonna be 1-to-1, so if you compare this to an halogen bulb, it's gonna be at the same height, which is gonna be same as halogens, so it's not gonna be super bright. You're not gonna blind oncoming traffic with this design. Also, for this LED right here in the middle, you're gonna have a unique halo heat sink. It's gonna have a smart chip, so you're gonna be able to use these LEDs in super hot and super cold temperatures. 80 plus degrees Celsius or minus 40 degrees Celsius. The fan is gonna be a turbo fan, super quiet fan, so you're not gonna have any noises coming from the fan, because some other LEDs, when you turn them on, they're super loud on the fan. This one is gonna be super quiet. Also, the construction is gonna be aviation grade aluminum body. And for the installation, they're super easy to do the installation, plug and play. So this is 9005, and over there I have H11s, and let me show you why I'm replacing these on the Honda Accord. 9005 on the high beams, I'm gonna put on the passenger side the new LEDs compared to those, and on the bottom, as you can see, the fog lights, that one is out. I think I have some water on the fog light, so I'm gonna replace them because that one, it doesn't work. So right now I'm gonna remove them. I don't know what I have in there, but I guess I'm gonna expose a company because I think I have Auxiro in there, but let's see. Yeah, for my fog light, this one has some condensation in it and the bulb stopped working. The good thing about the new LED is that you can run them even in water and they're gonna keep working, but these ones, they fail on the passenger side. And for this LED, once you put it on, you can adjust the whole body, so this part can rotate, so you can put the LED the way it goes, with the chips facing to the outside on each side. If you put it like this, it's not gonna be good. It has to be like that. Once you put it on, you can rotate the body, so you can adjust it and make sure the LEDs are facing for each side, not up and down, but side to side. Okay, if you can see right there, once you put it on, lock it in place and then move it so you can adjust it. If you can see right there, it's crooked, so we just need to rotate it, make sure that the LEDs are facing left and right, and that's the way you need to put the LEDs. Now I just need to connect it and do the same on my fog light. I already have the fog light and the high beam on that side. Super easy to do the installation, plug and play. Make sure that you put positive with positive and negative with negative, because on the little plug you're gonna have a positive and negative. Just make sure that you match that with your connector. Now they're ready. Let's see how they look. And I was telling you how bright they are. I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but that one is super bright. And on that side, both of them are Auxiro. Nothing wrong with the company, but I know that this one, it was gonna be brighter. Yep, this company wasn't lying when they say those LEDs are bright, because that's how bright it is compared to this one. Not really bright. Obviously for the fog lights, you can see the color is different, but you can see how bright those are, super bright. So yep, company wasn't lying. And yep, the fan is super quiet. The fan is working, but I don't hear it. In some other brands you can hear the fan super loud. I can't hear anything on these ones, and they're not to the point where you're gonna blind oncoming traffic. If your headlights and fog lights they're too high up, once you go to LEDs, bring them down a little bit. But yeah, that's the result right there. Yeah, I do recommend these LEDs, super bright. And like I said, this is the setup that I had before. This is the 3000K yellow one that I have on the fog lights before, and this is the high beam. Okay, I have the link in the description for these LEDs. If you go to the link, you're gonna see there 9005, H11, H9, whatever you need. They're gonna have it in there. So link in the description for these LEDs. I do recommend them. They're super bright, and there you have it. You can see the difference. So guys, I hope you like this little episode. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.